everybody, this is Collier Swecker in Birmingham, Alabama. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. Just wanted to touch base with y'all and just talk a little bit about lease purchases that have become fairly commonplace in our market due to the economy. A lot of folks that have been displaced out of their homes due to foreclosure or short sale have had to look to the route of a lease purchase while they get their credit and other things in line. They want to own a home and want to kind of make you a little aware of a few things from the buyer's aspect and also from the seller's aspect. Sellers need to be really careful in making the decision whether or not they want to do a lease purchase or not. And this is where a contract is drawn up for the actual purchase of the home, and simultaneously a rental agreement essentially is drawn up as well. And it says that at some point prior to 1 year, say, that the purchaser will actually consummate the purchase, but in the meantime, they will be paying rent, and part of that rent will go towards the purchase price of the home. And what sellers need to understand is that there's a good chance and a great chance that that person may not buy that house and is just looking to have a rental at a good rate under the guise of they're going to buy the house. And agents need to do a good job of vetting that, hopefully, and minimize that as much as possible. But the other thing that sellers need to remember is that they're effectively in a landlord-tenant situation at that point. And, you know, in the state of Alabama, the landlord-tenant laws are crazy, and you're going to have to go through the judicial process of getting them out if they don't pay their rent. No different than you would if it was a straight-up rental. So very, very dangerous if that's not what you intend to be doing, because you really will be in the landlord-tenant area in that respect. Now, for buyers, it is a viable option, but really make sure you're not looking for a rental because you're going to be putting down money up front. It's going to cost you more in the sense that you need to do an inspection and you need to do all these things that a typical owner would do. Most of the time, you'll be responsible for the utilities, for lawn maintenance and things like that. So for buyers, make sure that you really are planning on buying the home eventually within the time frame, and do it as quick as possible because I think you don't get any of the benefits that you were trying to get when you are just renting the home essentially during the lease period. There are a lot of negatives and some positives, I should say, for the lease purchase route. If you got questions or comments about lease purchases or anything about real estate that's on your mind, you can reach me at Collier@megaagentrealestate.com. Have an awesome day.